Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you a new elements we have created a few days ago, and this is called floating image testimonials. This is one of the coolest feature of GHL. You can see it in some funnels which is built by some great entrepreneur. You can see there in their funnel, you can see this kind of floating image testimonials, which definitely it will enhance your landing page design experience. And when someone see this kind of testimonials in your page, it definitely looks authentic to them, and also they show their trust to your business. So this is the elements we have created for one of our client. Sorry. I hope this looks great, and if you want to use there is a simple thing you do have to do. Like you do have to click on here. It will take you to this page, and then if you just put your email name here, and proceed to check out. This is just a normal, it's not already purchased this offer. Okay, so I am already in this in the membership site, so that's why these things are not showing to me. So let me show you this from my membership. This is all I am already built, already working on it. So there are some things will be added and some more things will be added. Let me show you just a minute. So it will show something like this when you sign up, and it will, if you just click on it, it will take you to this page, and here you can see the testimonials. Okay, the floating image testimonials, this one you can see. The thing is like we are already working on it, so you will get all the code, and you will also get the notifications, all the things here. So just sign up. When you click just sign up first, and definitely you will get the code from here, and a lot of this kind of elements. So if you want to get it, just click on it, and then you can just put your name, email and phone number, and then you can just go to this page after that. Okay, so thank you. And yeah, this all the links, these links will be I will add it in the below the YouTube video link, so you will get it easily. Thank you.